What is this? Why bring your mum's car? Full. Please don't say that sentence ever again. Wait, let me see what song it's got in the library. Let everyone see it.
Fuck off.
I've got no subscribers yet, so no one will see it.
Just put it on your TV.
Let me have a look. What is it? Like fucking.
It's all dance shit.
No, it's not. It's like flipping.
No.
The Jersey Boys. This doing a entertainment system test on a Mini. If you want to connect your Bluetooth to a Mini, it takes about 10 weeks. Blurry. How do you watch?
Just hold it, mate.
Press this button. I don't want to hold it. Oh, pink. It should just be set on pink all the time. Surely everyone that owns a Mini has it on pink.
Yeah.
Are you joking?
Upgrade from a holiday.
But I mean, well, it's not number one. It's my number one, right? But it's rammed. I think we're in the wrong place, Josh.
Go on, baby.
Everyone's here.
We got here so early. No one's here.
Oh yes, wait.
Spin around.
Can you spin around, please? I'm missing the Nissan car park. Yeah, just don't look at all. I think we can get arrested.
Oh shit!
Turn around! Alright, just wait. Don't go in. Oh my god! That's it. Let's
Keep going around in fucking circles for the next 10 minutes.
Can you not swear in my videos, please? It's rammed here. At least the carbines. Let's have a look at this. Oh my god.
It's not a curve.
Oh my god. Ah, did you not feel that? It looks like looks like you've hit a flipping curb. It's like you've took it off and smashed it.
It ain't a curve.
That's not bad. Stop moaning.
Camera in the back.
Let's have a look.
Locks.
Oh look at it, it's got its own little spot. What you got in there? A JVC 1940 camera, is it?
It's fucking practical Polaroid, mate.
Is it a classic JVC? Is it JVC? Oh my god, whoa. Put it back. Look at that case. Now put the camera back in.
There's only a small camera.
What? Where did you... My camera can fit in there.
Yeah, because I'm going to get lenses for
Look at my case. I've got what is it?
It's an A6500.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Alright. Steady shot. Oh, is that your Porsche camera?
Yeah. My hair out.
Obviously I'll edit this out, but it's nice car.
No.
I can't be seen saying this is a nice car.
But you got, if it's in dark, you got LEDs coming out the sides.
Don't sell it to me. Alright, it's
LEDs
nice.
coming out underneath the footrest.
Just what? Because it's got 10 lights on it. It means it's good.
Yeah, I see him there.
Why the pink?
There he is. He's down there.
Where?
See him.
Tell him we're down here. Just drive down to him. Oh. Mate, his camera's so trippy.
What's he doing?
Beep him. Go next to him. No one lives up here.
Yo, so Luke's not even here and he lives there.
I've just had to say off camera that Josh's car is quite nice. Obviously I can't be seen saying that.
He says he's going for a speed shit.
Look, it's got pink LEDs everywhere. Come and look at it.
It's because you changed it.
Yeah, but it's on the colour chart. Just stand in the way, Luke. Luke.
Please test that for me.
Luke. Put your face near it, Luke. Fuck you, I stand close. Oh, mate.
Kryptonite Subi.
What's up, baby doll? Mate. I know, come with Josh, isn't it?
All these people.
Stage 4 Litchfield.
We had fireworks around here, did we?
I don't want him to keep ever.
Mate, you need this exhaust. Don't get your Mini.
Just here.
Have a rev off, go! How did it taste, Scott?
Yeah.